rahmatullah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So today's video is going to be answer the question, is life fair? Before we begin, please subscribe and inshallah you'll get good deeds for it. So, the simple answer to this question is that yes, life is fair. But I want to explain that answer, because a lot of people may look at stuff such as war, crime, evil, etc., and they'll look at it and be like, how is it fair that this happened to them, or this disaster happened to this person, etc. And the thing you have to realize is that when we talk about anything, we have to think about what does Islam says about this topic, because affects many different things. For example, Islam affects our purpose in life, and when you look at is life fair, you have to think, okay, so what's the purpose of life? And you have to understand the purpose of life is for us to try to go to Jannah and to avoid Jahannam. So in that sense, is it fair? And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says that He does not burden the soul beyond its capacity. So we know that by that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He made it so you can actually do your test, that it's not too hard. Now, is it fair person to person? And you have to think that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He claims to be the most just, the best of judges. He is and Allahu Alam how Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala judges, because He considers everything. But what we do know is whatever suffering we go through, we'll be compensated for that. And whatever benefits we gain, we'll have to be accountable for that. So yes, life is fair. And many people, they feel like that life is not fair to them. There's even a saying for it, life is not fair. But Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave us His guarantee that whatever we do, we'll be held accountable, or we'll gain the reward of it. So don't feel discouraged. If you make an intention, you will get rewarded for your intention. If you try to do something good and it backfires horribly, don't feel like that was in vain. You tried, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will give you the reward for that. And on the other hand, don't try to do evil, even if you think it'll affect no one. Don't do evil. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He gave us these rules for a reason. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Jazakallah khairan kaseera for watching. Please subscribe, and inshallah you'll get good deeds for it.